find the value of sine 150, sec 240, tan 300, cos 135, tan 150, sine 120 degrees. So, first we will move with the first question. So, 150 degrees. So, 150 lies in which quadrant? So, do you know quadrants? First, second, third, fourth. Second quadrant. Yes, 150 lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, which are positive?
Sine cos.
Sine, cosec. Sine cosec will be positive. So that's why 150 degrees lies in So 150 degrees lies in the second quadrant in which sine is positive. So we have to take here sine only. So sine and cosec both are positive. But the given question is in sine. So that's why sine is positive. So sine 150. So 150 we can write it as 180 minus 30. Yes. So 180 minus 30 is 150. So 180 minus theta or 180 plus theta will be what we get, sine or cos. Do you know that? So once you see here, when the angle is 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, or 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. For these angles, so sine will change into cosine, cosine will change into sine. Means sine cos, cos will be sine. Tan will be cot, cot will be tan. So sec will be cosec and cosec will be sec. For 90 and 270, 90 minus theta or 90 plus theta, 270 minus theta or 270 plus theta. When we are taking 180 plus theta or 180 minus theta, 360 plus theta or 360 minus theta. The trigonometric function, sine is sine, cos is cos, tan is tan, cot is cot. Everyone is we get that function only. So that's why here sine of 180 minus theta, sine theta we get. So that's why sine theta value here 30 degrees. So you all know I think sine 30 value. Yes? Did you know the value of sine 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Ma'am.
Yes. 1 by 2. Shall we move into these questions or no need? Do you want the next questions or shall I move to another method?
Another method.
So next. Yes?
Next experiment.
Okay. Do you know this? This type of questions do you know? If you know this, then I move into next exercise. Otherwise, I will explain this and move into next.
Explain, madam.
So, if he is given sine A value 4 by 5, we want to find cos A plus tan A. So, sine A, what is sine A opposite by? Hypotenuse. Then what is cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So, this is the right angle triangle. So, this is the angle here. So, not right angle. So, this is the triangle. So, in this we have the theta is here. So, with this theta, so this sine theta he is given. Sine A. So, here opposite side is this, adjacent side is this. So, we want to find opposite is this, hypotenuse is this. We want to find adjacent. How we will find? We have the formula. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus the adjacent square. So this is the formula. Pythagoras theorem. So he is given, we know it as from the sign opposite by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is pi square is equal to opposite is, we have here 4 square. Plus we don't know adjacent. So 5 square minus, so we send this 4 square into left hand side, we'll get minus 4 square. So 5 square minus 4 square is equal to a square. So 5 square is 25 minus 4 square is 16 is equal to a square. So 25 minus 9, 25 minus 16 is 9. So 9 is equal to a square. So from this a is equal to under root of 9. So it is 3. So adjacent we get 3. So now like that we taken it has 3. So now cos A value is adjacent by hypotenuse. So that's why from the figure we take cos A is equal to 3 by 5 and tan A is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by 4 is hypotenuse is 3. So 4 by 3. You want to find cos A plus tan A. So cos A plus tan A is equal to cos A is 3 by 5 plus tan A is 4 by 3. So for these 5 and 3 LCM is 15. So with this 3, so with this 5 you want to cancel this 15 in 3 multiple. So that 3 into this 3 is 3 3s are 9. Plus we want to cancel this 3 with this 5 is, this 15 is 5 or 3 with 5 multiple is 15. So this 5 into numerator 4. So 5 4s are 20. So 9 plus 20 is 29 by 15. So like this we will do the problem. Is it understand? Yes ma'am.
Yes,
So
madam.
next I move into the next topic. So all of you learn these formulas, very important. Sin of A plus B, cos of A plus B, tan of A plus B. These formulas will come from 1 mark also. And cot also, cot of A plus B. Cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. So same as the subtraction formula, sin A minus B, cos A minus B, tan A minus B, cot A minus B. So these 4 formulas and those 4 formulas, total 8 formulas. So these sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B is sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. So cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A. You can use these 2 formulas also. Total 10 formulas. So now here calculate. So these questions will come from 3 marks. So sin 15 degrees or 1 mark. So sin 15, we don't know sin 15, we know sin 30, sin 0, sin 45 as well as sin 90, sin 180, but we don't know sin 50. To find sin 15, so we have to subtract 2 values. So that's why 45 minus 30 degrees, we know 45 value as well as 30 value. Sin 45 we know, sin 30 we know. So that's why, so 45 degrees minus 30 degrees is 15 degrees. So that's why 15 we can write as sin of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Now it is in the form of sin of A minus B. So what is the formula of sin of A minus B? So that's why I told learn these formulas. So sin of A minus B formula is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this is the formula. In place of A we have here 45 and in place of B we have here 30. Substitute in this. Sin A, sin 45, cos B, cos 30, minus cos A, cos 45, sin B, sin 30. So sin 45 value 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this left hand side I get root 3 by 2 minus 1 1 is 1, 2 root 2. So 1 into root 3 is root 3 by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 minus here. Here it is 1 1 is 1 by 2 root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. So in both of these denominator is same. So LCM is 2 root 2. So numerators also will be same. So numerator is root 3 minus here numerator is 1. So this is the value of sine 15 degrees. So next as it is cos 15. So we can take cos 15 also. We don't know cos 15 but we know cos 45, cos 30. So cos of a minus b formula we should use. Cos 45 minus 30 is cos 15. So cos of a minus b is equal to, the formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos, this is a value and this is b value. So now cos 45 a. Next cos b. So cos b value is 30 plus sin a sin b. Sin a value is 45, sin b value is 30. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus. So here we get plus. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So now in the denominator 1 into root 3 is root 3 by denominator 2 root 2 plus 1 1 is 1 by 2 root 2. So both denominators are same. So he is written 1 denominator and numerators also same. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So same as it is tan 15. So tan 15 we should use the formula of tan of a minus b. It is also 45 minus 30. So tan a minus b formula. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan of a value is 45 minus tan of b value is 30 by 1 plus tan a is tan 45 into tan b is tan 30. So 1 tan 45 value is 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So now if I do LCM, so what I get here? So here if I do LCM, so I get in the denominator is root 3. So root 3 into 1 is root 3.
पूरा डालो दिमाग खराब होता है.
So root 3. Here its denominator is already root 3. So root 3 minus 1
अरे डाल जा रहे
by
पलटा डाल जा.
root 3 by in the denominator. So we get 1. So 1 into 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3. So root 3 into denominator is again here also root 3. So root 3 into 1 is root 3. Here we have sorry plus 1 1 1. So denominator root 3, denominator root 3 cancel. So we get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So we are doing rationalization here. So rationalization means any number in the form of rational. So if we have in the denominator in the middle term plus, so we should do rationalize with minus. Rationalize means with the opposite symbol we have to multiply numerator as well as denominator. So root 3 plus 1 opposite symbol is root 3 minus 1. So this root 3 minus 1 I am multiplying numerator as well as denominator. So here root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So that's why root 3 whole square is 3 minus b square is 1 square is 1. So now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square means root 3 whole square. So we get 3 plus b square means 1 square is 1 minus 2ab. 2 into root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3. By denominator is 2 minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So in the numerator we can take common as 2. So if I take common as 2, so 2 is already common. So 2 minus, here also 2 is common, root 3 by denominator is 2. So this 2 is cancelled. So remaining we have here 2 minus root 3. So this is the formula of tan 15. Same as it is you get to cot 15 plus tan 15. So this is understood. Is this understood or shall I do on the paper next problems?
No problem.
What do you say? What about the remaining? Is it understood?
Okay, madam.
So next time shall I write on the paper or shall I explain like this? What do you say?
I'm right on paper.
Okay. So next here, sin 75. We don't know the value of 75. So that's why. So sin 75. We don't know 75, but we know 45 and 30 values as well as 90, 60. So if I take 60, so 60 plus 15. So we don't know 15 values. If I take 90, it will be 90 minus 15, also 15 values. If I take sine of 45 plus 30, then we get 75. We know 45 value as well as 30 value. So now it is in the form of sine of a plus b. So sine of a plus b formula is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. So here this is a value and this is b value. So sine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to, so sine of a value is 45, so into cos of b value is here, this is a, this is b, b value is 30 degrees plus cos a into sine value is 30 degrees. So now sine 45. So what is the value of sine 45?
1 by
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. And cos 30. What is the value of cos 30?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. So next cos 45 degrees. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So next sin 30. What is the value of sin 30 we have? 1 by. So it is equal to, what we get here?
अरे पेड़ क्या
Root 3 into 1
कितना है
is
मैं
root
देखा तो
3
उनमें पेड़ में रुकता
by
है
root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 plus 1 1 ja 1 by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. So both denominators are same. So we get LCM as 2 root 2. So denominator same. So numerators also we get same. So root 3 plus
कितना गरम
1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of sine 75 degrees. Is it clear?
अरे हटे
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So next, okay. So same as is you. Can you do the values of cos 75, tan 40, tan 75, or shall I explain? What do you say? Didn't
No
hear
need,
your
ma'am.
voice. No need. Shall I move to next method? So now here, so see here, sine of 60 degrees minus A, sine of 60 degrees plus A is equal to, we have to prove this. So for this, we have the formula. What is the formula? Sine of A minus B into sine of A plus B. So what I told, formula sine of A minus B into sine of A plus B. Did you learn the formulas? Student, ఇక్కడ sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B is which formula we have here? Sine square A minus sine square B. So here sine of A value is 60, B value is A, and A value is 60, B value is A. So we can write sine square A minus sine square B. So sine square. A value is here we have 60 degrees minus sine square of B value. In this we have here A. So sine 60 value we all know. What's the value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. So that's why sine square 60 we have. So that's why root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus we have here sine square A. So whole square do this. So root 3 by 2 whole square means, so we can write it as minus sine square A. So it is equal to, so root 3 whole square by 2 square minus sine square A. So root 3 whole square is square root cancel. So remaining is 3 by 2 square is 4 minus sine square A. So next, if I take 1 by 4 is common from this. So what are the remaining? 3 minus. So before that you take LCM here. If that is understood for you. So LCM if I do, what I get? So denominator is already 4. So numerator is as it is. So for this we don't have denominator. So multiply 4. So 4 into sine square A is 4 sine square A. So denominator we have 4. So we can write it as 1 by 4 of 3 minus 4 sine square A. So we should have to prove it only. 1 by 4 of 3 minus 4 sine square A. Is it clear?
Madam.
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So next we have most important question. This is, so sine square A minus sine square B. It is the formula of that. So sine square of 52 half degrees minus sine square of 22 half degrees. Now it is in the form of sine square A minus sine square B. So now only we discussed. Sine square A minus sine square B formula is what? Sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B, or sine of A minus B into sine of A plus B. So now this is the question. So sine square 52 and half minus sine square is 22 and half degrees is equal to. So now it is in the format of sine square A minus sine square B. Here A is equal to 52 and half and B is equal to 22 and half. And its formula is this. Sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. So sine of, here what is the value of A? 52 and half plus B. So what is the value of B we have here? 22 and half into sine of A minus B. So A is 52 and half minus B is 22 and half. So 52 and half means we can write it as 105 by 2. So 105 by 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So remaining we have here 5. So 2 2s are 4. So 1 we have. So if we put point, so we get 10. So 2 5s are 10. So 105 by 2 we can write it as 52.5. Means 52 and half. So that's why here 105 by 2 we can write like this. So 105 by 2 plus, so next here 22 and half. So 45 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s